Okay, so once you've downloaded the Skool app and you have registered and made your login for the Off-Grid Collective, this is going to be your homepage. We've got a couple of pinned comments there and then additional comments and posts down below. Now you can like, comment, whatever you want to do on existing posts. If you want to create your own post, you can do that at the top here. Title, content, you can attach pictures. Every time you post though, you're going to need to select a category. Now not all of these will be available to everybody, but generally it's going to be either a question, so it goes in questions and answers, or it will be under general discussion. So that is going to be how you post anything you want to post. The classroom is where all the information is, videos, content. So if you want to know about the SciAb systems that we create, then this is the section to go into. Questions and answers are going to be questions that people have asked that require a bit more of a detailed or in-depth reply. There will be a particular module in there. Let's have a quick look at that. So on AC and DC coupled systems, you will see, let me go back, that one's still being built out. There is a video coming on that one. Let's go back. If we go to this one, there's a bit more of a more detailed explanation in there. Same as with the SciAb systems, you can have a look at some reviews people have left us. You can have a look at the ultimate systems, the premium, the plus, what goes into a system. So you can see with this one, it goes through how they're built in an overview, so you can understand how the systems go together. Let me go back. Then we get down into resources and downloads. Now this is primarily PDFs. The Off-Grid Solar Planning Guide for both Australia and the US. The load table download so that you can create your own load table. The Off-Grid Solar System Design course is to walk you through how to design an off-grid solar system and all of the components that go into a design. And you can use that to design your own system, or you can use that to understand how a system is designed so that you know what you're getting yourself into. The Off-Grid Solar System Installation course is going to be a theoretical classroom style installation course to teach you what is required to install a system safely. Even if you're not installing your own system, this will give you the ability to be able to understand what's involved in doing that. The Off-Grid Solar Basics PDF series is exactly as it sounds. It's a series of PDFs on those particular topics there. You can view it on your device, or you can download and save those PDFs as well. So as we build out more and more, there is going to be, we haven't created an event yet, so I will go out of that. But in the calendar section there is going to be, if we are going to run lives or workshops, or if we're hosting physical events or anything like that, that will all be posted in the calendar section to let you know when that's happening. Now, the about section there is probably where most of you came in to our community with. That's just an information page about the community itself. So back to the community section, this is all your notifications, posts, and all the good stuff. If you get lost, the two posts at the top of the community section are going to give you a quick run through and should point you back in the right direction. If you've got any questions, you can always just create a post, go to either general discussion or questions and answers. Questions and answers are more around actual off-grid related topics. If you're just lost, need help, want to ask a question, then general discussion is the way to go. Put that there and our team will see it, and we will respond to you and help you out with whatever you need or answer any questions you've got. All right, that's a quick look at it. We will be building this out and having more trainings and more courses and more PDFs put into here as we grow, but that's at least a quick overview of what we've got going on.